In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an A3 size document in Microsoft Word. If you've ever needed to create a larger document for posters, presentations, or specialized printing needs, understanding how to adjust the page size is crucial. We'll walk you through this simple process, ensuring you're comfortable and confident with your document setup. To get started, make sure you have your Microsoft Word document open on your computer. Once it's ready, direct your attention to the ribbon, which is the horizontal menu filled with tabs at the top of the Word interface. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to format and customize your document. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the Layout tab. It's positioned among a series of other tabs, such as Home, Insert, and Design. Clicking on Layout will open up a new set of options that pertain specifically to how your document looks on the page. This is the area that allows you to adjust margins, orientation, page size, and more. Now, within the Layout tab, focus on the Page Setup group. This group is conveniently organized and clearly visible, providing a cluster of options that determine your document's page configuration. Within this group, the button you'll need to click is labeled Size. Clicking on the Size button will open a drop-down menu. This menu is a handy list of standard paper sizes predefined in Microsoft Word, making it easy for you to select the size that fits your needs without any manual adjustments. As the drop-down menu appears, you'll see a range of different paper sizes. They all typically follow the standard formats used in offices and print shops around the world. For our purposes today, scroll through the list and find the option labeled A3. It's generally larger than the common A4 size, measuring 297 by 420 millimeters, or about 11.7 by 16.5 inches. Once located, simply click on the A3 option. By selecting A3, Word will automatically adjust your document's dimensions to match this size, allowing you a larger workspace for your content. After you've completed this, you'll notice the change immediately reflected in your document's page layout. This provides you more room for images, text, and any other elements you need to include. This process not only aids in preparing documents for professional printing, but can also be quite useful for creative projects and detailed reports. By learning how to quickly change paper sizes, you can boost your productivity and better tailor your work to its intended purpose. So feel free to explore these settings and get creative with your document sizes as your project demands. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up an A3 size document in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy document creating!